Welcome, 2018 wassce indices. We are still on the series of past questions and indices. So we are to simplify x exponent minus 1 plus y exponent minus 1 divided by x plus y. So the top, we are going to apply principles of indices, then we take it as what? A fraction under algebraic expression. So first thing first, let's repeat our question. X exponent minus 1, y exponent minus 1, x plus y. You remember the rule under indices that says that if I have a exponent negative n is 1 over a exponent n. So this is going to be the same. Writing this as a reciprocal, meaning 1 over x plus 1 over y divided by x plus what? Y. And you can see in this case, solving the top as a fraction, finding the LCM to be xy, we can have xy as the LCM. When x divide, it cancels itself, remaining y times 1, y. Y also divide this, cancelling itself, remaining x, x1, x, divided by x plus y. So you can see we are having double division. So we can turn this to be a division sign, as in y plus x divided by xy divided by x plus y. This becomes a division sign. Then division will change to multiplication. Then we reciprocate the second fraction. So this becomes x plus y, xy times 1 over x plus y. This is going up and this is coming down. Why am I having x plus y? Addition is commutative. So y plus x is the same as x plus y. So you can see this is the numerator, this is denominator. So they will cancel out, leaving 1 over xy as our answer. So this is what we are going to have as the final representation of that. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.